forthcoming by-election to the Shillong parliamentary constituency. It is a responsibility to serve the people. It is responsibility to put
Ka Voice of the People's Party lani VPP kalapin bana ya ka Kyrtong jong u Dr. Batskhem Myrboh kum u Kyrtong ban aireng ha ka by-election jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha constituency. Ha ka jingkren bakerpang bat kilat patai khubor u Dr. Myrboh u lapan pau ya ka jingsngungu ya ka jingyatli jong ka party ka bala ibet ya u banshim ya ka ni ka jingkit kli. U laong ba ka jingthung ya ka kam dei tang ka jingkermen hnrei ka jingkit kli ka bakrau ban shakri ya kipat ba mat ban ra shkhamat ya ka jingyo i jangai bat kinong rim jong ka VPP. U Kyrtong ka VPP u lapan pau ru ba ha ka election pat ba jong snem 8,000 pusau ka party kalayo jingkershan ka bahe na ka Shillong parliamentary constituency. Katkum ka jingyo tho jong u ha ki babun ki constituency jong ka jilla ki pat ba ki lapan pau ya ka jingshania ha ka VPP namar ka jing angnut jong ka ban wanra ya ka san perthei ka badon nong rim ha ka jinglong hok ka jinglong renti ka jingkhu na ka bamsap bat ka jing shakri pat ba. Ulak dauru bah ka election MLA 8,000 pholai bah ka election MDC 8,000 pusan ka party kala lecha ki patba dakaju ka nongrim bat ka jingyo ijngai wat laman la ka election ka don la ka jong ka jingya kundu jinge henry ulapan pau ka jinget ba ki patba kindang beteng ban kershan ya ka party katkum ka jing chakri bat jing IT lut jong kinong mi khmat jongka habakali halor ka jingya kun persha ya unong yalam barim ka Congress Vincent H Pala u Dr. Myrboh ulong ba ungkwa banyanu jor yalade bat kinu kiriu shimet ngan yakren halor kiriu shimet henry ngan yanu jor ya ka party bat ki weipat ki party ulong daka banjur ba ka VPP ka don ka jingyo ijngai ki policy bat ki program ki pesong norim hakimat ki bakta ki patba kan ba katarik jong ka by election kampat shai henry ka jingya khun san perthei hak Shillong Lok Sabha seat kalasdang ban sakhi ya ka jingkhi jong ki party bapher ka VPP ka penpau ya ka jingets kem bakanla ban bat byang ya ka seat da ka jingkershan jong ki patba bat da ka jingya linti ka pasai hakinong rim jong ka
23 went to the people with the same ideas and promises, and in 2025 MDC election also we went to the people. Yes, these elections, they have their own intricacies, they have their own complexities, but we could see that the people, they supported the VPP, and as they have been supporting the party, so we have no doubt that they will continue to support the party, given the kind of services, given the kind of commitment to the service of the of the constituency, service to the people of the state, that the party MLAs, the party MDCs, and even our beloved former MP, he rendered. So we believe that the people will definitely continue to support the party.
Well, Congress will definitely, most likely, is likely to field Vincent Pala, who was MP. So, how do you think that your candidature will have something more to give than Vincent Pala, because he has been the Shillong MP?
Okay, as I said, I am an ordinary and I would say a small party worker. So I will not compare my personality with the other personalities. Rather, I would compare my party with the other parties. Our party, we have the vision for the state. Our party, we are grounded on the issues of the people. So we go with that. So it doesn't matter who is our opponent or who are our opponents, but we know the vision of the party, we know the policies and the programs of the party, so we'll fight election on the basis of those.
That was Sir Batskhem Myrboh, and as the days for the election approaches, more and more political parties are likely to field more influential candidates, and it is for us to see that when finally the election date is declared, who ultimately has the last laugh.